Hi, I'm Brad Wild from the Go Wild team at RE/MAX. So the numbers are in for February, and this is what's going on in the Kitchener-Waterloo real estate market. If we look at the number of sales we had this month, there were 325 sales. So that's down 11% from the number of sales we had in last February. Looking at active inventory, it's up slightly. There's 843 active listings on the market, and that's up 1% from the 835 or 36 that we had last year. Looking at the number of new listings that hit the market, there were 559 new listings, so that's down about 3% from what we had in 2018 in February. And then looking at our average sale prices for all housing categories, it was 561, so that's up substantially. That's up 15% from February of 2018. And it's up in all different housing categories. If we look at detached, they're up 5% at an average sale price of $601,000. Attached houses, they're up 3% with an average sale price of $403. And then condo style apartments, they're up 15% with an average sale price of $319. So condo style apartments have had the most growth year over year so far in February. Now, looking at what houses are selling for as far as a percentage of list, right now we're seeing 100% of lists. So on average, houses are selling for full ask. Now, that will depend on what price point you go into. The lower price points tend to be selling for full ask or sometimes even above. And then when you go into the higher price points, like, in that 750 plus, we're seeing more negotiations going on. So you have to take that with a grain of salt. That's kind of a blanket number for overall. Now, looking at our months of inventory right now, we've got 2.59 months of inventory on the market. So overall, that puts us in a seller's market. Remember, months of inventory, that's our supply and demand for the market. Anything under 4 months of inventory is considered a seller's market. So traditionally in this market, in a seller's market, we do see prices continue to go up. And if we're looking at the houses that are selling right now, we're still seeing 39%, so almost 40% of the homes go to multiple offers. Again, almost all of these homes are priced under that $600,000 price point. Overall, if we look at the market, how we're doing so far, so sales are down a bit from last year, but on the positive side, average sale price is up quite a bit. Active inventory on the market is relatively flat, not a huge change so far. If you're someone who's looking to sell this year, right now we're well into March and going to be approaching April soon. That's kind of your peak time to put your house on the market to sell. For someone looking to purchase, you're going to start seeing a lot more inventory come on the market towards the beginning of April through to May. Traditionally, especially for the detached market, we tend to see a massive increase in inventory on the market from April to May. So for someone who's looking to sell and buy, I always recommend you sell earlier in the spring market, get your house sold while there's less inventory on the market, and give yourself, a 90-day closing, which gives you lots of time to purchase in that May-June market while inventory is a bit higher. If you have any questions about the Kitchener-Waterloo real estate market, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks and have an excellent day.